So if you want to start trading, option trading, you must know about option chain. And the biggest question is, what is option chain? An option chain is a chart. This chart is called as a option chain. An option chain is a chart that provides in-depth information about all stock option contract available for index and individual company stock. So this chart is option chain chart. Here you can see so many datas are available. Here OIA, change in OIA, call, put, strike price, ask price, change, LTP, IV, volume. These are the data available in option chart. And understanding the option chain, this option chart will help you as an investor make correct choice within the market and to become a master in derivative market. And you can book a good profit with the help of option chain data. Option chain can be defined as the listing of all option contract. It comes with two different sections. One is here, I can show you. One is here, one is call and other is put. Call option means a contract that extends the right to buy underlying at a specific price within a specified date. And put option is also a contract that extends the right to sell underlying at a specific price within a specified date. If market moves towards upward direction, here, if you think market will go upside and it will give a big move in upper direction, then call buyers are in profitable. If you buy call side contracts, you will be in profit. And if market moves towards downward direction with red candles, then put buyers are in profit. If it's green candles and in upward direction, the call buyers are in profitable. So if the price of the underlying stocks is expected to go up in value, then you buy call options. Here, these are the call options. And conversely, if the price is extended to go downside, then buy put options. These are the put options. This side. Here you can see the strike. What is strike means? What is strike price? This is strike price, means a price at which both buyers and sellers of the option agrees to execute a contract when the option price goes beyond the strike price. The option trade turns out to be profitable. So this is a strike price. Strike price, you can see this strike price is known as ATM. Because it's a strike price where the market is trading right now around 24,150. That's why we call this as ATM, add the money. And here you can see in upward direction in call side, we will call this as a ITM, in the money. And in downward direction, this is a OTM, same as here opposite. This is OTM, and in downward direction this is ITM, in the money, out of the money. So if you find this a knowledgeable video, so please, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe, and comment what you want to learn about stock market. Thank you so much.